John Benavidez! Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Okay, he's bringing the boom down. I'm going to have to move back. This is phenomenal. This is the Ingram boom. And he's operating this thing. Look at that. He's bringing it right over to me. He is coming my way. Look at that. This thing is huge. Oh, wow. That's a hose. I thought that was some kind of a steel pipe. Look at that. Just to show you how big that thing is, there he is. And you can pour concrete anywhere. Oh my gosh. Look how accurate he can get. Whoa.
Just like that, man.
Just like that. Just like that. How tall is that?
It'll go 130 feet, 131 feet vertical. Straight up in the air.
Straight up in the air.
See, can I do that for you?
Now I'm getting scared because I'm like going, hey, oh my gosh.
It'll go 114 feet horizontal, 110 feet vertical.
And the truck won't tilt.
No.
Good, because I'm standing right underneath that thing coming down. It's coming down on me. Oh, hey, I got an idea. The next Fearless Fernandez stunt. Do you think you could attach a chair to the end of it and hoist me up? Look.
You know what, I think the truck will do it, but my company probably wouldn't do that. Right.
Randy would say no. Oh my gosh. That thing is huge.
There you go.
All right.